In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the resolution on an Android phone camera. First, let's begin by opening the camera app on your Android device. This step is crucial as it gets you directly to the tool you will be using for your photography. You will see the familiar interface of your camera, complete with the viewfinder and various icons for features. This is where you will take stunning photos, and adjusting the resolution is key to achieving the best quality for your images. Once the app is open, make sure your camera is ready and your lens is clean. You are now ready to proceed to the next step. Next, tap on the settings icon, which usually looks like a gear. This icon is often located in the corner of the screen, but its exact placement can vary depending on your device. By accessing settings, you are entering the menu where you can customize various options for your camera. This includes changing the photo resolution, which is essential for capturing images that meet your needs. Once you tap the icon, you will see a range of settings displayed, allowing you to refine your camera experience. Inside the settings menu, look for the option labeled Photo Resolution, Picture Size, or simply Resolution. This is an important step because it is where you will choose the quality of the images you want to capture. Higher resolutions such as 12 megapixels, 50 megapixels, or even 108 megapixels will give you clearer and more detailed photos. However, keep in mind that higher resolutions will also take up more storage space on your device. Take a moment to decide which resolution fits your needs best, whether for social media or printing. Now select your preferred resolution. For example, if you want to go with 50 megapixels for stunning detail, tap on that option. This selection is vital for ensuring that your photos will have the clarity and quality you desire. After making your choice, you may notice a brief loading icon or a confirmation message which assures you that the change has been successfully applied. This step is important because it ensures that your camera is set to capture images at the resolution you want. Once you have selected your desired resolution, close the settings menu. You can usually do this by tapping the back button or the close icon depending on your device's interface. By closing the settings, you will return to the main camera screen, ready to snap some great shots. This action is reassuring as it confirms that all your settings are saved and ready to use without any hassle. Now you can take a photo. With your camera set to the resolution you selected, you are all set to capture images with the quality you prefer. Look through the viewfinder and frame your shot. When you're ready, press the shutter button to take your photo. You should notice the improved clarity and detail in your images thanks to the resolution change. This is a rewarding moment as you see the results of your adjustments. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your photography experience on your Android phone. Adjusting the camera resolution is a simple yet effective way to ensure your photos come out looking their best, whether you're capturing everyday moments or stunning landscapes. Now that you know how to change the resolution, you're empowered to take control of your photography. Happy shooting!